Hey, hello, what's up beautiful people? And I'm back with another video. So it is currently my reading week, which means that I don't have any school, thank the Lord. And it is currently Thursday, and I just got back home. My room is pretty messy right now, not gonna lie. I brought back lots of supplies that are cheaper back home, so that I didn't have to spend extra money here. With that being said, I need it to be a relaxing video for you guys this week. So I haven't done grocery shopping in honestly a month because I've been going through my cupboards, and then I was home twice, so I got some extra food there, but I haven't gotten fresh fruit and vegetables in a month. And it's all been frozen, so I'm gonna take you guys grocery shopping with me. It's just gonna be a relaxing day. We're just gonna go with the flow, and we're gonna see what happens. I need to get lots of fruits and vegetables. I don't need any dry goods, so it's all gonna be fresh and healthy, and we are gonna kickstart this midterm season with a lot of healthy foods. So without further ado, let's get to it. Lactose-free yogurt. This is basically describing my hometown. What I might get is some frozen fruit, since I'm not really getting any fresh fruit. I can freeze the bananas, but I want to get some frozen fruit. So let's see what there is. And I might look to see if there are any frozen pizzas that I want, and I think that'll be it. They're on sale. Okay. There was just a guy who works here walking over towards me, and I thought I was going to get in trouble for filming. So that's not good. I love when One Direction plays in public. My dad. Some guy just wanted me to film. So hey, I'm back. When I got in my kitchen, my roommate was there, and I don't know, I still feel awkward filming around my two roommates. So I put away all my food, but once he goes into his room and hides again, I'm gonna go out and prep some food and freeze some food so it stays fresh longer. And it's just gonna be a basic rundown into what I eat and how I prep what I eat. Guys, I know I'm an adult now because I'm excited that I have a vacuum now. I haven't been able to vacuum my room. I'm cleaning, don't worry, I'll get to all that. I haven't had a vacuum the entire time yet, so now I do, and now I can clean everything. I also need to clean that. It's just gonna be a meal prep and cleaning day. Honestly, that's what I'm feeling right now, and that's what I need. his fingerprints along there, and then there, and then there. They've been on there since they installed this mirror. Since I moved in and there wasn't a mirror, and then they installed it later. So those have been there since it was installed. And I don't know what they had on their hands, but that is not coming off. There's maybe one or two that I was able to like get it up a bit, but I'm gonna have to keep working on that because they had oil or glue on their hand or something. My roommate is in the shower, so we're gonna do some prepping now. So obviously we need to wash our hands, so I'm gonna do that right now. So I first have some bananas, so I'm gonna slice up. I think I'm gonna slice up 2. And then put them in the freezer. So I'll get my cutting board in and we'll get to that right now. How did that happen? I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna go with it. It's a little bit, it's a banana boat. Bananas are really difficult to pick up when they're laying flat. I don't know what methods you can use to avoid that issue, but just PSA, they're difficult to pick up. And later on in the week, if I'm not having as many bananas the week as I want, then I will cut up another one and add it to this bag so that I'll stay fresher longer. Alright, next up are some carrots. Compost. So what I'm going to do with these is I think I'm going to cut up 3. So watch 3 and then slice them up. And I know I preach about being environmentally friendly, so I'll have you guys know that I reuse these plastic bags that are frozen in. The only reason I'm getting new ones today is because I haven't frozen vegetables in a while, and the only frozen bag that I have in there still has peaches in it, so I am being environmentally conscious. Now, one last thing to show you guys. They're clippings from the tomato plant that we had growing, and I brought it back, so now I have some tomatoes, and they're actually like reddening up, so hey, I have homegrown produce in Toronto. With it being reading week, Thanksgiving was this past weekend, and I will insert some clips right now from up north. Callie, be nice. Be nice. Be nice to them. No? Get her. Get her. Yes. She being mean, Lulu. Oh, you being mean. She being mean. But you know, getting into the second half of this semester, I really want to focus on my health and eating healthy. So that's why I really worked on getting all healthy foods today. and that's what I'm gonna continue doing. But with that, that concludes this week's video. Thank you guys for coming along with me to grocery shop. I hope this video was okay. I just needed a quiet week, and I needed a way to actually get stuff done that I needed to do. So the fact that I was able to bring you guys along with me is even better. As always, I will leave my social media down in the down bar, and I look forward to seeing all you beautiful people next week. Okay, bye guys. This looks very much like a cult, and I don't know what to make of it.